Hi, welcome back to the Cerrone Group channel. Midwest Meets Vegas here, Rachel Gaston. I'm actually going to take you to one of my favorite local spots, super family friendly, and it's really fun for the whole entire family. I'm actually excited to be here. It's called Barn Betty's Rescue. It's actually located right outside of Gilcrease Farms, so if you want to go pick some fruits and veggies after coming to Barn Betty's, this is the place. So a little bit of background of this facility. It's actually all animals that were either left here or rescued, and all of your money actually goes towards the animals, which I think is a major plus. So at Barn Betty's Rescue, you can get a bag of hay for $1, and you can go feed the animals, which we'll show you here in just a moment. We're actually going to have fruits and vegetables, honey, farm fresh eggs, so it's really fun. Come on out and take a peek at all the animals.
That's Mr. Chauncey.
He's so sweet. This is my favorite. I love horses.
Do you want the cow?
I really want the cow, and it's like a traditional cow. So as you know, my Instagram name is Midwest Meets Vegas, meaning that I'm from Missouri. So at Barn Betty's, I feel quite at home. I love the fact that these are all rescue animals, and I really think it's good for the community. It's good for the whole family. They do events here as well, but if you can, I highly suggest coming out here and taking a peek at all the cool things that they have to offer here at Barn Betty's. So one thing about Barn Betty's is they need a lot of volunteers. It costs about $7,000 to house these animals here, and they could really use your help. As you can see, they're asking for your help too. So I would strongly suggest coming out here, even if you just walk around, buy some of their fruits and vegetables here. Come out for their pumpkins. They need a lot of help at the end of October, so keep that in mind. But yeah, come out here and have a fun time.
You gotta, yeah, there you go. Really stick your heads through, ladies.
So this is what your hands look like after feeding the animals. So.
Oh my god.
So Barn Betty's actually hosts events here. You could do a family celebration, a reunion. They do a lot of weddings here, which are great for the whole entire family. Really anything that you wanted to do outside, if you wanted to help out these animals that are in need, this would be a great opportunity for you. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of Barn Betty's Rescue here in Las Vegas, right outside of Gilcrease Farms. If you want to check out some horses, some cows, chickens, ducks, there's like a llama, goats, they have everything here. You get your farm fresh eggs, fruits, vegetables, honey. Come take a look, and thank you for joining today.